Hi guys, you're welcome to my Swift review. Okay, my name is Ikim from c7onlinemarketingmasters.com, a product reviewer and an affiliate marketer. So I welcome you to this review. And this particular product is okay from Venkata Ramna. All right, so Venkata Ramna, with a wonderful super affiliate, had come up with this awesome product, the Swift. And what this Swift does is a one-click app that auto drives free traffic, okay, to any link. So this product, Venkata, you can agree with me that so many people will be thinking of how getting the Facebook traffic, the Instagram traffic, and so all these famous traffics. But this is an untapped traffic source, all right, that this awesome guy came up with. And this product will be going live on the 10th of May, all right. So, and if you really want this product getting an untapped traffic source, I just want you to stick with me, as currently I am in the members area of this product. All right, so as always, I'm always in the members area, and I will be taking you around. Okay, as you can see, sorry, okay, let me just go straight up to the overview. As you can see, this is the members area of this product, and as you can see, my dashboard. And I'll be taking you around with is a one click profile, a one click product. You just, for you to get start generating your traffic, it's just a one click from the tools and all that. So I'll be taking you around so you can be able to see what you will be, how you can be able to maneuver this wonderful product, and also get it. But before, I'll be taking you around of this members area. I've got awesome bonuses that I have put up for you. And in a nutshell, let's just go over to the bonus offers. And these bonus offers that I'll be giving you, okay, it was put together by one of the top most super affiliate in the world, and it's no other than Jono Armstrong. Have been a serious student of Jono Armstrong, and we've actually come up with these bonus offers for you. So the bonus to offer number one for this Swift is how you access traffic Babylon. That's access the traffic Babylon for the first 24 hours only. And you see that for the first 24 hours, this is a product from June Armstrong that would soon be going live. Okay, so it's offering you this product for the first 24 hours. So when you get this particular product, you'll be seeing what this access traffic Babylon will be able to solve for you. So our bonus number two is instant traffic jacker. All right, so our bonus number three is you get some traffic strategies for your YouTube channel. All right, this promises to be so awesome and great. All right, so our bonus number four is the get track biz success. That's tracking your business for success. All right, so you'll be able to track your business and see the progress of your business. And number five bonus is Venkata has given me his bonus offers, special bonus offers, and he has given me all of them, and I have all of them, and it's just for you if you get this product. So if you're interested in getting this product, okay, from me, so that I can access all of these special bonus offers, there is a link below the description of this video. So you just go down to that link. Once you click on the link brings up this page of mine. All right, this bonus offer page, and there you can click here on any of these yellow buttons over here for you to just access the copy of this product alongside my awesome bonuses. Okay, then please, as you can see, there is a countdown. Please, I do not want you to miss out on this bonus offers, as it's up for a limited time, and once this countdown goes down to zero, this page just goes down. So the Swift, the one thing that makes this Swift different is that it siphons traffic from a completely untapped 80 million user source, all right, at the press of a button. This is what the Swift has to really offer. So you can see over here from the members area, of which I am in the members area, you can see how you can start your traffic campaigns by clicking on this traffic campaigns. It opens up where you can just input your URL and just start your campaigns from the scratch. Okay, we've got also awesome tools here. As you can see, the tools, the headline, dashboard, is pin article, you squeeze in that free bonus, funnel based free bonus and all that. Then you have the slider campaigns. This is an awesome product from Venkata. As you can see, what you can stand to get from this slider campaigns. All right, so over here we've got the dashboard, all right, the sales page of this awesome product. All right, so I guess there is also a demo, a complete demo video of this particular product if you will be interested in getting and watching the demo of this product. All right, so let me just take you right now to the sales, the prices and the upsells of this awesome product. Okay, so as you can see, the front end of this product, you get the Swift and this Swift software and all of the training modules for a flat price of $17. So from this $17, you access the Swift software. All it takes just one click for you to start generating your traffic source and your campaigns. For you to start your campaigns, you have your upsell one, which is the Swift Unlimited. You have your upsell two, limitless traffic. You have your upsell three, your Swift done for you. You have your upsell for the sleep technology. It's just like it's they make you money online, which is great, but where you just have to, you just fully automate the Swift so you can start receiving traffic on autopilot even while you are sleeping. That's awesome, guys. You have your upsell 5, the Swift monetization, and you have your upsell 6, the Swift reseller, all right, where you keep commission on the entire funnel, right? So some of the benefits, the key benefit that you may be interested in getting from this product is the fattest traffic you will ever get. Finally, you have your breakthrough. You get a taste of the online lifestyle, the traffic that lets you quit your job, and it's perfect for newbies, right? And traffic that lets us enjoy $1,000 per day and 100 day money back guarantee. All right, and all of this you have, there's no risk because all this is covered by no question asked 30-day money back guarantee. So these are for the early birds and for the action takers. So if you really want to be an action taker to this product, for you to enjoy all of these benefits, my awesome bonuses and all that, you just go down to the link below the description of this video and just do the needful, just click on that button. All right, so and you get all of these awesome bonuses. Okay, so if really, and you can see the time, it's just going down. Right, so if you get this product, right, you should, and you want to get all of your bonuses after purchasing the product, you see a thank you for your purchase. Okay, and just beneath it you should see access all of your access affiliate bonus. All right, so and you should just get the product. Okay, so I want to thank you for taking this time out to checking out my review and my bonuses. Okay, and also if you like what you're seeing, just click on the subscription box and also tap on the notification bell so you won't have to be telling you of my latest review and my bonus tutorials. Okay, so you just get updated anytime I put up something here. All right, So this is Ikem once again from C7 Online Marketing Masters.com, and I just hope to see you on the inside, guys. So stay safe